we say to make a caterpillar so we can learn the 7 days of the week. For this we need 2 papers so the caterpillars will be colorful, markers to write the days, and glue. Do we need a scissor? Yes, we need the scissor. And the circle thing so we can. So there are 7 days and one is for the head so we can draw the head. So let's get started. So we are gonna fold the paper and draw a circle, but actually I forgot to tell you something. It is like I didn't pick a 4, like I can't even draw a perfect circle. So I'm gonna use this. Fourth circle is ready. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The red one. Look friends, red color 4 circle is ready. And look, there is the circles how much I need. 4 plus 4 makes 8. I have made a caterpillar shape over here so I don't forget about the shape. And we are gonna stick it with the glue. We have did the caterpillar shape. Now I'm gonna draw the horns and the eyes and the face. So I have picked a brown for the horn. He is laughing, but now I'm gonna do a funny thing after this tongue. What a funny hair. We'll draw the legs with pink marker. I'm gonna draw. So here's my caterpillar. It's smiley happy color. I'm gonna write cereal. Sunday into Saturday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Yay! My caterpillar is done. I'm going to decorate with some flowers.
Days in the week. If today is Sunday, what is next? If today is Tuesday,
I have done my caterpillar so we can learn the 7 days. Thank you for watching. Bye!
today is Friday, what is next? Sunday.